Hello and welcome to my new series. This is going to be a monthly series where I talk about my training, how I'm progressing, what I'm focusing on, and how it's going. Let me tell you a bit about where I am currently. A couple of months ago, I was more than 2 years into training. I always had a pretty good physique from boxing and I maintained a very low body fat. About 4 months ago, I wanted to increase the numbers on my bench, squat and deadlift. So for the past 4 months, I've been on a consistent bulk. In this time, my weight's gone from 63 to 68 kilos. My bench went from 65 to 75, my squat 75 to 90, and my deadlift has gone up from 110 to 120. At the start of this month, I went to a festival, and after looking at some of the photos, I realised I'd gained quite a bit of body fat. Now the bulk's been successful and I've gained some strength, but now I think it's time to start cutting. Therefore, my training style is going to change a bit. In this phase, I'm going to prioritise powerlifting, so things like overhead press, bench press, squat, deadlift. I'm also going to be incorporating cardio a few times a week. Most importantly, since I'm cutting, I'm going to be in a calorie deficit. I'm eating less than I have been previously. I'm excited for you to follow my journey. I'll see you when I'm lean. To help me during this cut, I'm going to be using my own program called Ace Shred, which you can find in the description if you like the look of the training. This is the workout on the first day, so that's what I'm going to get into first. My favourite thing about these full body workouts is that when you finish, you have this entire body pump, which feels awesome, but you're not doing 6, 7 exercises for a body part, you're doing 2 or 3, so you don't feel beat up. Like when I'm training legs, you can still walk tomorrow. If you're coming from something like a push-pull legs or a body part split, it's going to feel so much better because you're not beating yourself up. This means you can get way more frequency in, and over time, you're going to gain so much more strength than other methods. This is what the start of the program looks like, and as you can see, I've got HIIT cardio in here twice a week. However, I encourage you to change it if you prefer something else. If you play a sport or you do running, these are perfectly fine forms of cardio and you should do these instead. And that's exactly what I'm about to do for myself. Okay, we're cutting, so the plan today is to do some cardio. I'm going to do a 20-minute run since I'm getting back into it. I'm doing it outside, it's a nice day. Who said cardio can't be fun? Here's a spot. There's some cows over there. Let's see if they want to join in the workout. Okay, I was going to go up to them, but that one looks aggressive. I don't want to get beat up by cows. And this is the reason I love running outside. I just found this trail, I followed it through here, and have a look at this view. Don't get that on a treadmill. Quack, quack, quack. Okay, so that was a really hot one, but that's what cardio is all about for me, getting out in nature and feeling energized. If I had to be on a rowing machine or a treadmill for half an hour, I'd just get bored and I wouldn't do it. So if you don't already train outside, I really encourage it. I think it's a great way to get motivated and it just feels great to me. Post-recovery food, courtesy of Nanzi's. Make a muscle. Make a muscle.
Muscle?
Yeah.
What's a muscle?
Like that. God, look at her go. It's your boy, Shreddy Kruger, about to step on the scales for the first time. Predictable 67.2. Pro tip, when you're weighing yourself, make sure it's always in the morning before you've eaten, so there's no variables like what you've eaten affecting your weight. So I know we're cutting, but we're going for a bench PR today. I've been benching about 3 times a week, so today the aim is 77.5. So let's try and get that. That weight went up pretty easy, so I thought that I'd try 80. You can see me fighting my demons before this set. Honestly, I think this weight was just too heavy that my body rejected it. I mean, what is my leg doing there? Do you see that? I'm lucky the safety was there, otherwise I'd be a pancake right now. Anyway, time to do some cardio. So diet is going to be the main thing when it comes to losing weight here. So I'm about to check my weight after a 16-hour fast. Let's see where we're at. And that says 66.7, so we're about a kilo down. I'm about to go on a walk this morning just to move more, burn a few more calories. The math I use is that every 1,000 steps you take is going to take around 10 minutes. Every 1,000 steps also burns 40 calories. This means that to burn 100 calories, you need to walk for 25 minutes. When I was a boxer, we used to wake up at 9 AM on Sunday and do 15 sprints up this hill, and you die afterwards. Today's session is a horrible one. That is, if you really hate effective workouts. So today is the first day of the month where I'll be deviating from the training program. This is because I'll be going to a rave with some friends and I'll be staying the night in a hotel. You may be asking what's for the Pikachu hat, but I'll wear this to every rave. I'm going to be drinking a lot. I'm also going to be moving a lot. I'm going to take you guys with me.
Fucking hell,
Vulcan season. Health is wealth, baby. It's not even Vulcan season. But it's delicious. So I'm finally home after that long weekend. Time to check my weight for the first time. I don't know if that's the lack of food or the cut, but we are cooking.
I am here in the woods. How did I get here? Don't ask that question. I'm trekking with my partner.
Say hello, Mum!
She's in the woods with me. We have to traverse this plain.
Unconventional training. I am in some bushes. Can I make it to the top of this hill? Maybe. Why am I in these bushes? I don't know.
Tune in next week to find out why.
So I'm gonna go train in about 2 hours, so I like to fuel up a bit beforehand. And this is what about 90% of my meals look like. Either pasta or rice for a good source of carbs. Then I have a portion of meat, today it's lamb. And then vegetable for... And then kale for the vegetable, which has a good amount of fibre. I'm maxing out my squat and deadlift today. Pray for me. It's 90 kg right there. See the final weight. Bosh. So I followed the program for 4 weeks and I've had some pretty great results. My plan was to maintain my strength while going down a little bit in weight. Over the course of a month, my body weight went down from 68 to 65.5 kilos. My bench press actually increased from 75 to 77.5 kilos. My squat stayed the same at 90. My deadlift also went up from 120 to 125 kilos. Here's a video of what I looked like at the start of this journey, and here's what I'm looking like now. The cut isn't done, we still have another 4 weeks to go, which I'll document in the next episode. If you like the look of the training and want similar results, the course is in the description below. So is information on how to become one of my online personal training clients. I have a free workout plan as well. That's all from me, I'll see you in the next one. Bow.